Hey champs! Welcome to this video tutorial where you will learn how to schedule a post using Social Champs Content Publish dashboard. Let us start by selecting the workspace. Then choosing the desired social media accounts from the drop-down. You can select multiple accounts at once to schedule the post across various platforms. Next, type in the caption or content in the Content Composer box. Enhance your post using the integrations available at the bottom of the composer. You can add emojis, tag social account, add hashtags manually, or use pre-saved hashtag groups with just one click. Click on Add Media button to upload visuals. You can choose files from various integrations or from our built-in media library, where you can create folders and store media for future use. Select your desired media and click Upload. A preview of your post will appear on the right-hand side for each selected social media platform. Explore our powerful AI Champ suite, including AI Content Wizard. Enter a prompt and generate captions using ChatGPT. AI Imaginator. Create unique images from text prompts to enhance your post. Sentiment Analysis. See how your audience is likely to perceive your content: positive, neutral, or negative. For meta accounts, you can add a location to your post. You can also use the built-in Canva integration to import your visuals directly from your Canva account. You can keep your posts organized by adding labels. Use the repeat post option for Facebook and Twitter to keep your content active. Scroll down to view and set the post type for each selected social media platform. With Instagram posts and Reels, you can add collaborators to maximize reach. With LinkedIn posts, you can upload documents such as PDFs, PPTs, or even create a carousel post. Once everything looks good, choose one of the publishing option at the bottom. Post now to publish immediately. Schedule by selecting the desired date and time. Use AI suggested time to post when you can get the best engagement on your account, or select the custom timings. You can save your posts as a draft for yourself or for team sharing, or as a scheduled draft. Once you are all set, click on Schedule and your post will be scheduled accordingly. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling with Social Champ.